Hey guys, it is me, Just Chandra. This video is going to be so short and impromptu, but I wanted to share with you guys. And I look a hot mess because I just came from walking. I literally just walked in the door, but because I received this surprise, I could not help but film, and I'm literally filming holding my iPhone. I don't even have it mounted, so I'm going to make this super quick. Probably about maybe 4 to 6 weeks ago, I saw this Shea Moisture. I think it was Janelle Stewart. She's one of my favorite hair bloggers who posted about being a Shea ambassador. So Shea Moisture was recruiting Shea ambassadors to, I guess, talk about their products, use their products, and review their products and promote them. So I submitted, they asked you to submit a 15-second video about why you like Shea Moisture products and what drew you into the product, and you know how the product really impacted your journey of being someone with natural hair. So Shea Moisture is one of my staple products. I use their curl enhancing smoothie all the time, and I use their curl and shine shampoo. So anyway, I went ahead and I submitted my little 15-second video as to why I would be a great Shea ambassador. Now, I did not get picked. I received an email that I was not selected to be a Shea ambassador this year. However, they sent me a gift today for participating in the contest. So it says, thank you for your interest in becoming a Shea Moisture brand ambassador. We appreciate your video submission for our Shea Moisture program. And then it goes on to say they were humbled by the overwhelming response to the program from across all areas of the country. And they selected all the people that they want. However, they still sent a gift for participating in the video submissions. So let me show you guys what I got. I had no idea this was coming today, and you know how I get about, you know, just hair products. I'm a product junkie. So I did get some of my favorite things. They sent me 4 products. And I was just about to buy some of this curl enhancing smoothie because I'm going to take my braids out, wash my hair, and style it. So I was going to buy some of the curl enhancing smoothie. But look, they sent me some curl enhancing smoothie. This is my favorite product ever. I love this. This is one of my staples. I keep this on tap for moisturizing, curl enhancement, and for styling. So I love this one. Thank you guys. And this is the only shampoo that I typically use. So this is the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine shampoo. It's for thick and curly hair. This is the one I use all the time. I have been trialing a couple of other shampoos, but this is my staple. And then, let's see, this is the Fruit Fusion Coconut Water Energizing Body Lotion. I've never tried this. So this will be a new experience. And then they sent the matching conditioner. This is the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. So I'm so excited that although I didn't get picked to be an ambassador, you know, they still shared some of their products with me for submitting a video. So I say that to say, when there are things that you want to do, just go ahead and do it. Because I was kind of nervous about submitting the video. I'm like, there's going to be tons of people who are going to be submitting a video. Why would they pick me? Although I did not get picked, I feel so great that they recognized that I sent them a video and they rewarded me with sharing these lovely products with me. Thank you so much, Shea Moisture. If you guys run the contest again next year, I will submit another submission to be a Shea ambassador. So people, my message to you tonight is whatever you want that's out there, go ahead and get it. Whatever you want, go ahead and get it, because you never know what you're going to get in return. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.